Hello, kid. Welcome back. Learn English alphabet. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog. D.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
O for octopus.
R for octopus.
P for ferret. P.
For ferret.
Q for queen.
Q for Q.
R for rose.
R for juice.
S for swan.
S for swan.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for well.
W for well.
X for X-ray.
X for extra.
Y for yak.
Y for yacht.
Z for zebra. Z
Z for zebra.